The original Tribal Chief is here.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the OTC, Roman Reigns!
The original Tribal Chief. Some say the only Tribal Chief.
But Roman returned to a much different world. He went from the island of relevancy to now a man without an island. From a tribal chief to a chief without a tribe.
But Roman is dedicated to rebuilding everything he once had. And this time, he's got the WWE Universe by his side.
This is what they mean when they say aura.
Roman Reigns once again acknowledged by the WWE Universe.
And a little advice to anyone who may share the ring with Roman, it's best served that you do the same. One of the toughest brawlers around.
And his opponent from Reno, Nevada, weighing in at 281 pounds, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
A founding member of the Hart Foundation, multiple-time tag team champion, Hall of Famer, and father of Natalya. Few hit harder than the Anvil.
He acknowledged the Tribal Chief first. Now he attempts to do what few have done.
Good luck. He's gonna need it.
And we're underway with the Anvil Gym. Bear hug.
The bear hug cinched in. Gotta find a way out and catch your breath. Look at this. No quit whatsoever. Raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug. Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof. And into the corner he goes. Reigns just bludgeoning his opponent in the corner. This is ugly. And stays one step ahead.
And they tie up with a collar and elbow.
Being pushed aside and forced into the corner.
Collar and elbow tie-up.
Getting out and now locking in the side headlock. Switching things up, taking control of the waist here. Getting out nicely to transition into a waistlock. Breaks out and applies a chin lock.
Shot to the back delivered. He's got the shoulders down. One count and he gets his shoulder up.
Too soon.
Sliding back into the ring.
Nice go behind there. Ooh.
Nice escape, and now takes control. Boom!
Transitions into a side headlock.
Getting out of that and able to lock in a top wrist lock.
Oh my goodness, what an impactful STO. Just punched him right in the middle.
Right in the face.
Muck.
Oh, he got him. Is he going to lock this in? Targeting.
Escape and a takedown.
Corey, do you have any idea of Roman Reigns' mindset coming into this match?
Reigns always...
The head of the table cinches it in.
Oh, guillotine choke. Wrapped around the neck. This is Dane.
Gotta find a way out of the guillotine. They're not gonna last long. Wall with him bridging out. Incredible.
And he has an answer for Neidhart.
Continuous counters. These superstars looking locked in.
He connects with a counter.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Tremendous power and nice power slam.
No doubt the Anvil ended this. A kick out and Reigns is still in this.
And now the question runs in the mind, how am I going to be able to end this? Going outside.
On the apron.
He gets back into the ring.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Tremendous power and nice power slam. And that took Reigns down. Holy moly. Reigns' toughness on display with that kick out.
I can't tell if it's anger in the eyes or the fact that he hasn't finished this, or if it's disbelief that his opponent is still in this. Look at this. This can't be good. Oh, God. Face first. And retaliates with a counter. Jeez.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, the knee takes a big hit. Oh, no. Has him lined up for the kill shot. Headlock. Oh, and cheap shot right above the eye.
How much more can Reigns withstand?
Roman's being picked apart.
Neidhart scaling the turnbuckles.
From way up. Double axe handle.
And Neidhart now looking for the pinfall. Major, major win! That'll change his career tonight!
Here is your winner, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
Roman Reigns displeased, failing to capture the win here.
The thing about Roman Reigns is he won't let this be the end of